Hello everyone, I am Kajal Jha, lecturer in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is Unit 2, that is Combinational Logic Circuit and Sequential Circuit. And in this video, we will discuss the Combinational Logic Circuit Part 1. In a previous video, we will discuss what are the standard forms, that is SOP and POS, forms of the logical expression. Then why we use the K-map. Okay, and what is the combinational and sequential combinational circuits? Of, and this is the so in this video we will discuss the next point, that is nothing but how we can convert the SOP canonical form into standard form. Okay, so we will discuss here. So, first is the standard sum of products. How we can identify the Boolean expression or given Boolean equation is the standard or canonical. For a Boolean equation with three variables, okay, as inputs. So, here the three variables are inputs, and that three variables are A, then B, and C. Okay, so Y is equal to ABC plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B C. This is nothing but it is called as a standard SOP form because all the literals are present in each term. Okay, it should be complemented or uncomplemented. Okay, that is right. And y is equal to y, this is second equation, y is equal to A bar B bar C bar plus A C bar. SOP, these SOP, that is nothing but this standard sum of product is not a standard sum of product. Why? Because as the variable B is missing in the second product term, because here three variables are present, but in a second term there is only two variables, that is A and C. So B is missing here, so this is not called standard form. Okay, then standard product of sum SPOS for a Boolean equation with a three variable as an input. Here also three variables are A, B and C. Okay, A, B and C. So Y is equal to A plus B plus C bar dot A plus B bar plus C dot A bar plus B bar plus C bar. This is called as a standard POS. Why? Because here all the literals or all the variables are present in each term, that is complemented or uncomplemented form, but present in each literal. Second, y is equal to ab bar plus c bar dot a plus b dot a bar plus c. This is not called as a standard POS form. Why? Because in a second term, that is a plus b, c is missing here. Okay, because as the variable c is missing in the second sum term and b variable is missing in the third term. Okay, so this is not called as a standard POS form. Means what? The standard means all the literals or all the variables which we will use in the equation for a Boolean equation, all are present in each term. And term means what? This is called as term of equation. Okay, there are three terms here. ABC is first term, A B bar C bar is second term, and A bar BC is just third term. So all the variables, that is if we use the PQRS, that is four variables, then that all that four variables are present in each term, that is PQ. Then all those are, or any one of those are complemented or uncomplemented, it's okay, but all the variables or all the variables should be present in all the terms, each terms. Okay, not all the terms, each terms, that is PQRS plus P bar Q R bar S. Okay, this is called as a standard SOP. Because why? Because all the variables are present in that equation. But if we not write S here, then this is not called a standard SOP form, standard POS form. Why? Standard SOP form. Why? Because S is missing here. Because S is missing here. So I think you understand what is the standard SOP form and what is the standard POS form. Now we move further. Okay, so how we can convert any logic expression to the standard SOP form? Okay, so for that steps are here. For each step 1, for each term in the given SOP expression, find the missing literal. Missing literal means missing variable, we have to find it. Okay, that means the steps are shown here, okay, with the example. If find the missing literal for each term, if the example is y is equal to ab, then plus a, okay, here plus a c bar plus bc. Okay, so missing literal are what? If you see here, a b and c, there are three literals here. Okay, there are three variables are present here. So what are the variables? That is a, b and c. So for a conversion of this logic expression in a standard form, we must the expression must give all these three variables in each term. That is nothing but the standard SOP form. So if we see here y is equal to ab, then plus ac bar plus bc, then first step is what? Find the missing literal, means find the missing variable. If abc are the three letters or three variables, then find which variable is missing in each term. So first term is AB, then here C is missing. Second term is AC, then B is missing. Okay, C is missing, here B is missing, and third term is BC. So here A is missing. So first we will find the missing literal. Okay, then second, step 2, that is then and this term with the term formed by ORing the missing literal and its complement. Okay, the second step is and each term with a missing literal and its complement. Okay, so a b, this term is as it is and missing literal is c, so ending, okay, ending that missing literal and its complement plus its complement. If you see here, so missing literal plus its complement. So and means and shows dot, and c is missing, so c plus c bar. C bar is its complement plus ac is as it is, then missing literal is b, then dot b plus b bar. Okay, plus bc, a is missing, so a plus a bar. So step 2 is nothing but what? And each term with the missing literal plus its complement. Then third term, step 3, simplify the expression to get the canonical SOP expression. Okay, so simplify the expression for to get the canonical SOP expression. So we will simplify here. So AB in a bracket C plus C bar and plus AC bar B plus B bar plus BC A plus A bar. So we use here distributive law. Okay, so how we can distribute here? A B, it is multiplied by C, so first term is ABC, then A B C bar, then A C bar B. Okay, then A B bar C bar, then A B C and A bar B C. If any term is repeated, then you have to write that term only in a one time. Okay, only one time, because a plus a is equal to a. If a is present twice, then we should write what? A plus a is a and a dot a is also a. So if a plus b is a b c is comes two times, so we will write a b c one time. Okay, here and here we will write abc plus abc. Okay, that nothing but then a b c bar plus a b c bar, then a b bar c and a bar b c. So abc and abc, that is nothing but we will use the laws, that is a plus a is equal to, that is nothing but OR law. A plus a is equal to what? A. So abc plus abc is equal to what? abc. In a simple way, if any term is repeated, then you have to write that term for a one time. Okay, only one time. So a b c bar plus a b c bar is equal to what? a b c bar. So y is equal, then y how we can write the y, that is nothing but output, that is y is equal to ABC, then plus ABC bar plus A B bar C bar plus A bar BC. Now this is nothing but the canonical SOP form, that is each term contains all the literals. Okay, each term contains all the literals. This is nothing but the canonical SOP form. Okay, then how we can conversion of logic expression into the SPOS. We will see the canonical we will see the sum of product. Okay, that is a standard sum of product. Now we see how to conversion a logic expression to standard POS form. So there is a steps are same. Okay, but the second step is somewhat different. First step is what? For each term find the missing literal. Okay, so convert, this is the expression y is equal to a plus b dot a plus c dot b plus c bar into canonical POS form. So we have to convert that equation into canonical POS form. So first step is what? Find the missing literal for each term. So a plus b, a b c are three variables here. Here also three variables present, a b and c. So in first we have to find the missing literal. So a plus b, in that c is missing, then a plus c in that b is missing, and b plus c in that a is missing. So we will find the missing literal. Then second step what? Then or each term with the term formed by the ending missing literal in that term with its complement. Here what we have to do? SPOS form, that is nothing but product of sum. So we have to put here or each term. Okay, or each term with missing literal dot, that is nothing but missing literal and its complement. So a plus b, then plus c is missing, so c dot c bar. Okay, then dot a plus c, what is the missing literal? B, so plus b dot b bar dot b plus c, what is the missing literal? That is a, so plus a dot a bar. So here missing literal ended with the complement, and this term is odd with the term formed by the ending the missing literal with its complement. Okay, whichever sign we will use in between first term, okay, that should be right over there. Okay, and its complement and the missing literal and its complement. If there is a plus sign is present in between the terms, in between the variables, then we will write the plus and ending the missing literal with its complement. In a SOP form, we write it is nothing but sum of products. Okay, it is nothing but the sum of products. So we will write there the term is consist of what? Sum. Term is consist of what? Dot, that is nothing but and. So we ending the missing literal and plus its complement. Okay, with the term. So now third step is what? Simplify the expression to get the canonical POS. So normally we can use the theorems or laws and uh, s- simplify the expression to get the canonical SOP, so canonical POS. Okay, so a plus b plus c bar. So how we will find out? So a plus b plus c, this is first term, then a plus b plus c bar, this is the second term. Then now a plus b plus c for second term, first term, and a plus b bar plus c bar, this is second term. Then b plus c bar plus a, then b plus c bar plus a bar. Okay, now a dot a is equal to a, likewise a plus a is equal to a. So I repeat here again, if the any term is repeated, then you have to write that term in a once. Okay, for a once. So a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c is repeated, so we write a plus b plus c once. Then a plus b plus c bar repeated, so we will write once. So a plus b plus c bar. So y, what we get? Y is equal to a plus b plus c, then a plus b plus c bar, a plus b bar plus c, and a bar plus b bar plus c bar. This expression is in the canonical POS form because each term contains all the variables or all the literals. this is nothing but the conversion of SOP and standard SOP form and standard POS form. Okay, now in the next video we will see the next part of the combinational logic circuit. Thank you.